So guys, I just finished the other side of my wearable project and it took me around 7 hours. Yep, 7 hours for one side. Not because I was being careful, kundi mabagal lang talaga ako. This is my first time making something wearable and I won't lie, ang daming moments na gusto ko na siyang i-frog. Pero sabi ko sa sarili ko, hoy, pinaghirapan mo yan, tapusin mo. And that's been my mindset lately. Slow progress is still progress. So kahit isang row lang matapos mo today, hindi panalo, at least gumalaw ka. At least hindi zero, diba? Ngayon, sinimulan ko na yung kabilang side, pero stop na muna ako sa row 5. Hindi dahil tinatamad ako, pero hello! Pahinga din pag may time, no? Self-care is part of the process. So, ayun, this is it, Pansit. And if you're working on something and you feel like it's taking forever, just keep going. Just remember that progress is progress. If you enjoyed this video, like, share, comment, and follow. And see you sa part 2. Sana matapos ko na siya sa part 2 pero I think magpa-part 3 pa to. So please bear with me and sana wag kayong maumay. Bye!